Since 1994, HIDROT Ltd's specialized product line has been widely seen in daily use in the vast network of Hungarian streets and roads, in areas of agriculture, on shorelines, and on the banks of canals, waterways, and dikes. HIDROT Ltd's industrialized profile exemplifies the production of specialized forms of street and road maintenance machinery, including arm mowers, equipment mounted on medium to heavy-sized tractors, and also special tool carrier vehicles, and fitted with up-to-date electronic controllers implementing the operational use of online data transfer. Additionally, HIDROT Ltd manufactures and distributes a wide range of winter equipment, including snow plows, salt spreaders, and floating workboats used in canals and lakes are also serviced, engineered, and fabricated. Today, HIDROT Ltd distributed products of noted companies span throughout all of Europe, such as the Danish Epoch salt spreaders, Dutch Votex flail mowers, German Iris professional landscape maintenance equipment, and German Duker's high-end mowers. HIDROT Ltd's quality management system effectively corresponds its corporate policies to consistently provide industrialized products through high-quality manufacturing, assuring customer satisfaction. HIDROT Ltd strives to meet and exceed regulatory requirements towards improving measures of quality service and practicing full compliance to natural resources and sustainability programs.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.